Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to study some basic tools that are used in the sheet metal tab. So let's start our video. First of all, select here front plane and sketch. Now draw a circle. Now go to smart dimension and give the dimension of 2.5 inch. Now select here center rectangle and draw like this. Now go to smart dimension and this line is 5 inch and this height is 1.5 inch. Now click OK. Now go to trim entities and trim these lines. Also trim this line. Now click OK. See, now we want sheet metal tab. For this purpose, keep your cursor anywhere on these tabs and right click, and in the tab section enable sheet metal. See, here is a sheet metal and now left click on sheet metal. See, there are different options. So first of all, we will go to base flange tab and now we will give the proper dimensioning. In the direction 1, select here midplane and type here 1.5 inch. And in the sheet metal parameters, type here 0.029. And now in the last section, type here 0.12 and the K factor is 0.5. Click OK. See, now select here hem option and see there are different options. First of all, zoom in and choose here this bottom line. First one, this is second one, this is third one, and this is fourth one. I will choose this third one and in the bottom select here this top line. See, now click OK. Now select this top face and sketch. Choose here center line and draw a diagonal and escape. Now draw a circle. This is the center point. Draw a circle. Go to smart dimension and type here 0.5 inch. Click OK. Now go to features and select here extruded cut and select here through all. Click OK. Now select this face and sketch. Now select here center point straight slot and draw like this. Now click on OK. Select this line and choose here make horizontal. Click OK. Now go to smart dimension. This length is 2.5 inch and this arc is 0.13. Click OK. Now go to features, select here extruded cut and select here through all both. Click OK. See, now again go to sheet metal and this time select here H flange. Now click on this line and move the cursor upward. See, now left click and now go to edit flange profile. Now go to smart dimension and give the dimension of, click OK. To give the proper dimensioning, first of all delete this one and just drag inward and also from this side. Now go to smart dimension and give the dimension of 0.75 and also the height is 0.75. Click OK. Again draw a center line in the diagonal. Escape. Draw a circle. Go to smart dimension and give the dimension of 0.38. Click OK and now finish. See, again go to Flange and edit feature. See, there are other options as well. In the flange position, I have selected this first option. Just zoom in. Now select the second option and see the difference. Now select the third option, fourth option and the fifth option. This is tangent to bend. This is bend from virtual sharp. This is bend outside. This is material outside and this is material inside. Now see this last option. Select here custom relief type and in this option see there is rectangle. Let me choose here round. See the corners are now round and in the tiers the corners are now like this. So let me choose here round. See the corners are now in the round position and use relief ratio of 0.5. So these are the settings. Click OK. Now I will choose here features and mirror. I will choose here top plane. Features to mirror, select here this and OK. Now again go to sheet metal and in this section choose here flatten. See, this is the flatten part and if you want the previous pattern again go to flatten and left click. See, and you can also assign some material. For this purpose go to this option, choose here appearances, go to metal, you can choose polished steel, see, or you can choose here polished bronze. You can also choose aluminium, polished aluminium, brushed aluminium or chrome. This is up to your own choice. So this is the tutorial. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.